This is the best video you will see on the internet today. Come on. Let me walk you through on how I made this sumptuous moi moi. Here I have to wash my moi moi. You see my beans? Yes, I have to wash my beans. Then why I soak the beans for an hour? Because I use blender to wash the beans. I have to fry my tomato. Yes, I use tin tomato. I fried it until the water in the tomato was dried and it doesn't have any sour taste. So after that, I have to wash my moi moi. I use my blender. Yes, it's very, very easy. Within 10 minutes, I was almost done with washing of this moi moi. Here is the beans and here is how it looks like. Yes, I don't like adding too much ingredients. You can be free to add anything you want to add. Here I added ginger, garlic and onions. That's all for me. Then go ahead to put all this into your blender. Add the plantain together with the beans. Yes, add it and blend together. This will make it combine properly. Yes, it will make it combine. After blending, I have to add my crayfish, pepper, tomato mix, salt, and I use hot water to dissolve it. Give it a very good stir. Stir it properly so everything will combine. And make sure you taste for salt and Maggi. Even the seasoning cube, yes, the Maggi, I had to blend everything together. Here, our moi moi is ready. Can you just look at the texture? Can you just look at it? So I have to scoop into my moi moi plate, cover and set it on fire. Yeah, this is the outcome. You can never go wrong with this. You need to test this moi moi. You need to test. You need to try this. Make sure you try it with well-ripe plantain, okay? Normally, when I make this type of moi moi, when I make moi moi, my moi lasts at least 4 or 5 days. But this moi moi, just 2 days, everything will just gone. You need to try this recipe. You need to try it. Your kids will love it. This moi moi is a bomblast. Will I try it again? Yes, of course. Why not? Mbano, I will try it again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.